Good morning, how are you today? Today is
Thursday, April 23rd, 2020.
Today we are going to talk about nocturnal animals.
Go to the student's book, page 67. What can you see? What is this? Very good. Is a snake. What is this? Correct. Is a bear. What is this? Is a owl, bat, rabbit.
The boy says that the bat is sleeping. Some animals, like bats and owls, sleep in the daytime. But when are they awake? At night. So the animals that are awake at night and asleep in the day are nocturnal.
In the literacy skills pad, page 52, cut out the pictures and paste on the correct place. In the activity book, page 64, with your parents' help, read, circle, and draw day or night. On the student's book, page 67, check the animals that are awake during the day.
If you finish, remember clean up. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.